this big L.O.L gift for Christmas, and I just love L.O.L. As these L.O.Ls that you see, they're also from Christmas, but we couldn't wait to open them.
Yeah!
So I got this hamster for Christmas, and I named the hamster Chip. But what's cool is I got this hamster, and I wrote it down on a Christmas list, and I actually got it for Christmas.
Look at Christmas, guys.
Oopsie. We just love L.O.L.
Yeah.
We even have L.O.L shirts.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Now it's time to unbox.
Yay!
Okay. Wait, we got it from the side.
I got this side too.
Whoa. Box. So big. Oh.
I got it out.
My goodness, it's so jumbled.
Yeah.
Okay, not from the side.
Yo, look. Whoa.
Whoa. So much stuff.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Whoa.
Wow.
So, oh.
Oh, it's so amazing.
Oh, look at this big jumbo box.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the other side. Okay. I'll just put the big box to the side. But I think one piece fell down there.
I got it. It's a funny phone.
Okay, so this is really covered in tape, so I'll leave this for last. These are all the boxes that came inside the package. Let's count together.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. So, what should we start from?
That one.
Okay, the hot pink. Let's open it. Oh my goodness, guys, look what's inside.
Yeah.
It's hangers.
Yeah.
So, here's pink hangers. There's
Yeah.
2. Here are 2 blue hangers too.
Oh, yeah, that's my favorite.
Here are, whoa, there's bags. There's a small glittery bag.
Yeah.
And there's a medium glitter bag. And here's a large glittery bag.
Look. Look, guys.
It's okay, you don't have to take all of them out.
Okay. There's butter. There's the pink one. And I see the one.
Yeah. Look, there's a checkered printed bag.
Yeah, it's there. Ah! That was so hard.
And there's a striped printed bag like a zebra. Here are 2 earrings. It's hard to tell, but it's a heart.
Here, a little dog.
Here. Here's stars. So like, they're half a star. You can connect them.
Yeah, it is so good eating.
Show them it.
Okay. Look.
Okay.
What? There's some more eagles.
Here are these cool glasses. And the other one. And the other one.
Like triangles.
Yeah, they're triangles.
Yeah.
So they're like that instrument that is called a triangle. That's cool.
Yeah.
And of course, the other one. And here are the shoes.
Yeah.
I think I love all of them. I probably like these ones.
Yeah, me too. I like.
Looks like I actually have a pair of those.
Yeah. It does look like boots.
Here's one
Half.
pink boot. Yeah. Ah! The other one is so hard.
Shoot, I get it.
Out of all these stuff,
Yeah.
this one's my favorite. I'm just kidding. I think out of all the purses, this one's my favorite.
Yeah, that one my favorite.
It's checkered pattern.
Yeah, it a walk. Walking.
I'm gonna put this in my favorite
Yummy.
thing. And I think out of all the shoes, I might like these. They're cool.
I like it. They're cool.
So she likes the pink boots. She loves pink. And I think out of all the earrings,
Yeah.
these white, loopy, circle earrings.
Yeah, it's a hot earring. My favorite.
And out of all the hangers, of course I like the blue ones.
Yeah,
I don't
like
really like pink that much, to be honest. Of all the shades, I probably like this one.
Yeah,
It's very cool.
A puppy like that one.
I love these shades. They're so cool.
Yeah, I like it.
Maybe this will fit him. And now we're gonna open the other box.
That one.
Let's have Chip decide. I think he decides the light pink. Okay. Good choice, Chip. Very
That's my turn.
Yeah, then it's your turn. So let's open this.
What about that one?
Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Here's what it looks like inside.
Yeah? Yeah, it's silly.
Let's just move this to the side. So we put the big jumbo box. And this is already kind of peeking through.
And that one is pinky.
I clicked it. Here we have this thing. And here we have this. I'm not sure what any of this is. Maybe later we'll probably figure it out.
Yeah.
So you're just picking out wrappers. Oh,
Bruh.
she loves this, I guess. Okay, I think that's everything in the box. Angelina, you
one.
pick.
I already picked.
Okay. She picked this L. It's an L shape. Okay. Let's open it. Okay. Okay. Here's this glass part. It's not real glass, it's just plastic. It's just pretend. She going crazy. Girl, hold on. She's going crazy. There's some other accessories in there if you can kind of make it out. I don't trust you with the accessories. Crazy.
Okay.
So here are some of the accessories too.
You outside.
Yeah. What is this?
A slide ticket?
We'll find it out at the end. I think it's just a computer and like a holder so you can put the food in there and 2 little cup holders. Here's the last big item. Okay.
Oh my God!
Look at that. Yeah. Isn't that cool? Okay. Wow. Look at this. This is jumbo. Very big. Whoa. 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 I guess that's her strength sound.
Okay. A shoe, some that.
What was that?
I think it was
Needles.
they're not needles. They are nails. They're not needles.
Here's the egg.
I think that's it. That's it. There's just nothing left but this. Take it away. So I guess we're gonna have to put it all together. Oh my goodness, this is probably gonna be very complicated. Wait, the extractions.
Yeah, I get it for you.
Oh yeah, you did. Here are the instructions. So these are the pieces that came in the L.O.L package, and they're actually to build a mall. These are the instructions. Let's build it together. 1. Grab the clear circle piece and put it together. Correct.
And the guy is a W.
Step 2. We have to flip it over. And it says to grab this piece. It's supposed to lay it flat and do it like that. What was this that came out? Piece of cardboard. This is how it's gonna look like.
Yeah, I
The
got
front and the back. Step 3. We have to put screws in the bottom. These are the nails and the screwdriver, so my mom's gonna put them in. Step 4, grab this. So it is this one you're supposed to grab, and it says put it in here. Step 5, it says to put screws in. Step 6 is to grab that circle blue gun. I have to grab this and put it around this side, this side, and then it's this side. Alright, moving on. Step 7 is to grab this. Okay, so I'm gonna put it around. Step 8 is grab that W thing that Angelina was talking about earlier and put it on the side. So we're gonna put it on the side. Step 9. Grab this. So put it through the wall. Gotta put it through the tube and then put these things through the wall. There you go. Now step 10, again, the screws. Okay, screws are in. So now, step 11, grab this piece. And there you go. Step 12, again, the screws. Only one screw. Step 13 is grab this part, and it says grab this part too. Grab these two. Okay, the stairs are in. Step 14 is to insert this. Okay. Step 15 is this part. So this part on the bottom is supposed to go there. Step 16 is to grab this and to grab this. We have this and we're supposed to connect it with this. And then after that, 17, we're supposed to grab this. And it's this way. Okay, those are connected. Finally, the last and final step is 18, and we need to grab this part and connect it over here. Okay, there. I think we're done. All right, we're done. Finally, it took a very long time. So, Chip, do you think it's good? Okay, he agrees. Okay, let's make it look like the box. Okay, the model is officially complete. Here we have the cashier, which is Chip. Here we have the top area with the shoes and the bags and the glasses. And on the bottom, we have the dresses and sweaters. It can actually rotate. Look at this beautiful flower dress. I think it could fit Isabella. Oh, her dress is made of flowers. Her room has a whole bunch of flowers. Oh, she will love this. How much does it cost? I'm not sure, but I'll hold on to it. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Me and my sister are going to be having so much fun with this amazing gift that I received for Christmas. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!